Okay, guys, everyone's trying to talk about MGOL. I'm going to give my analysis on this as MGOL had a 25% down move today. It is kind of picking up after hours here. We're coming at 41 cents here from a low of 34. So here's my analysis. I do think this thing is due for a big run. And the reason why I'm saying that is because look at this EMA 20. We haven't touched this thing all the way back till, way back in 1126. So that's why I said, I kind of mentioned in the chat. A lot of people were talking about this, and yeah, I think this thing is setting up for a massive run. And anything that don't touch this EMA 20 in 2 months, you got to understand is long. So price tends to come back up to that. So 1126, and it's January 24. So 1226, 126. So coming Monday is going to hit that 2 month mark. We did recently hit this EMA 10. So, um, we hit it plenty of times here. We hit it right here, rejected. And if you're in a downtrend, you got to understand all these pumps are going to get shorted. So just keep in mind, every pump gets shorted. And this was an amazing opportunity right in here when it just went massively down here. And look at this monster move up here we had to this EMA 10. 130% gain. It's giving us another signal here. We are getting a double bounce, a double bottom right in here. So it's okay if it goes a little under. Nothing's perfect in the market. So maybe we get this big bounce to the CMA 20. It would not surprise me. We can go up about 94%. I wouldn't target that. My solution is always take the gains when they present, at least if it's 10%. Just to the CMA 5, you're looking at 27%. Price action loves to magnet to the CMA 5. As you can see, when price gets away from the 5, it comes back up to it very fast. You can look at this chart. Anything in this chart, you're going to see price do that, right? Price comes all the way back down and it comes up. Price moves in waves, right? And what I like to do is I like to look for those extreme patterns. We know EMA 20 is going to get hit. That's the big EMA. That's your home run hit. That's going to happen. It will, as everything reverts to the mean. We have 5 million volume. This thing has decent volume. It hasn't just like died out. It has decent volume. We can look at the weekly chart. You can see, this thing, everything is going to get shorted. It is a downtrend. So what I suggest is take that 10%. A lot of the people, if you got in here at around this 34 cents, congrats. A lot of the times, if you're playing a downtrend stock, buy it at the end of the day, as that's where you're going to get the best discounts. Because when you see sellers in control, they tend to be in control the whole day, right? And when buyers are in control, they tend to just keep pushing it up. So if you buy it at the end of the day, you usually get a much better entry. And if you're doing a downtrend stock, I like to look for a couple things. I'm personally not in this because I was trying to see if we can get this lower band touch, just like right in here, as this is going to give you your best entries, but not all the times it's going to do that. And then you can see that we are under the EMA 5, which is nice, but I was trying to give it also some EMA 5 time distance. So that's my analysis. I think for me, I would like to see a little more EMA 5, but that doesn't mean it can't just go pump all the way to this EMA 20 at any time. It definitely can. It's due for EMA 20. So it just depends on your risk tolerance. You have to accumulate these kind of plays. If you put all your money on one side, and then it goes down another day, you're going to really kick yourself and be like, crap, why didn't I, scale out my stuff? But yeah, we could all see this double bottom. It looks like the market is liking that as strong support for, we had this big move up to 80 cents. It definitely can do that. Comes all the way back down to 30. Can we get a move back up to this EMA 20, which is 70 cents? I wouldn't say that's hard to do. That's what we've seen here. Price really liked this area. This is a demand zone. So congrats whoever's been watching this. I think I think this is a good entry here if you got in at these lows here. If you're at this 34-cent range, you're already up 19%. I mean, these stocks are very volatile, so you can't be scared about these percentages. When they go up fast too. Okay, but MGOL, I like it. EMA 20 is probably going to happen. If you're not in, I would cool off on it. Wait till the next day, see if it becomes red. You only want to buy these when they're red because they're downtrend stocks. When they go up, it's super risky because every pump's going to get shorted. So, if you don't have the settings, join the Discord. I can get you these settings on your chart. The lower Keltner channel, you have the EMAs, which are your targets to look to exit, because how convenient. We hit the 10, we go down. We hit the 10, we go down, hit the 10 to go down. So this thing loves the 10. I can easily see, you know, the more times you touch the 10, you got to understand that EMA 20 is due for a target here. So we hit the 10, weaken it up, weaken up, weaken up, and then one of these times this thing is just going to go right through the 10, okay? It's going to happen. Every chart in the stock, you know, any chart you look at will hit the 20, and if it don't hit it in 2 months, it starts to get pretty long, okay? So this is my analysis. Looks pretty bullish to me. You know, if you wanted to have a tight stop, you could just put it about 5% under this double bottom. So you can put it about, you know, I would do 10% because this thing's very volatile, and you could see, you know, somewhere around here, 10% from this double bottom. Right here is your double bottom type of play here. So if it goes around this area, then sure. But as always, though, I would wait for a body of a candle to close under this, because a lot of the times the market makers are brutal. That they'll stop you out knowing, because everyone sees this, like, oh, double bottom, I'm going to put my stop just under it. And look at this. They stop you all out right in here. And they know that. Always look to see if a daily candle body closed under it, not a wick. Remember, wicks do damage in the market. They'll wick you out, wick you in. You know, they do damage, but the bodies tell the story. This is extremely bullish because it held this with this body above this double bottom, along with EMA 20 looking to get touched. I think it's really good. I obviously I don't have my EMA 5 time distance. We just left the EMA 5. I mean, we touched it today, so we don't have that. We are pretty close to this lower counter channel. I don't see anything wrong to get it now, and if you wanted to add at this lower band, then that's just going to be your better opportunity. But if you wanted to get some skin in the game, this is a really nice entry. Nice classic pattern here. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. This thing has had some monster moves. I mean, from here to here, in just a week or two, it made 125% gain. So don't doubt this stock. All right, guys. If you want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. And in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe. But all you have to do is hit this link right here, Day Trade Alerts, or hit this up here, and it'll ask you to subscribe for only $12 a month, and it'll give you the highest service, the alerts sent straight to your phone where you don't have to literally do anything. And my highest service is my day trading strategy. So I highly recommend you join the Day and Swing Trading Plus. It's only $12 a month. You're gonna love it. And you'll get access to my day trade alerts and swing trade alerts all sent to your phone. Put the notifications on. We had a monster gains this last week. It's been awesome. It's been real. It's been nice. And you join a nice community too to see, to talk about things and all that. But this is the one strat that's made me a full-time trader. I'm not going to guarantee you're going to be a millionaire and all that. But I will say, if you practice this strategy, these are the techniques that can get you up to that full-time trader status, and in time, you're going to love it. This strategy works. It's been working in the market for years. My day trading strategy is probably the most unique strategy out there, and once you do that, you probably won't go back to any other strategy. But yeah, this is MGOL. I like to do bottom reversals too. This is how I look to catch bottom reversals. I use these EMAs. I use these Keltner channels, and we look for those conservative gains, 10%. Scale out, hold some at break even, and see if you can get higher than 10%. And that's the best way to trade it. And instead of being like, I got to get 100% every time. If you do that, you're going to lose more often than not, right? Nothing like getting a good average here just for it to come back down to your average, right? You don't want that. You need to take these gains. This is a downtrend stock. All right, guys. Hope you liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. If you do subscribe to my Discord, do it on your computer to avoid iOS fee. And if you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer as they're having issues. But once you do that, you can use your Android just as fine, or your phone through the app, and you'll get notified of all the alerts that I do take. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.